Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do a braided ponytail. But before I get started, I do want to take out the time to thank each and every one of you who subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. It's only been 2 months and I have reached 1,000 subscribers. So I just really want to thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. Alright, so with that being said, let's get started. First, I want to start by flat ironing my client's hair just to get a really sleek ponytail. I'll be running the flat irons through her hair maybe once or twice, but not much. Just really to get it kind of straight so it'll be really flat and bomb popping in this ponytail. Alright guys, here I will be molding down her hair for her ponytail. I will be using Got To Be Glued freeze spray and some edge control in the back. Alrighty, now it's time to get into the edges. I will be using Argan Oil Black Edge Control. Now, let's watch this transition. All right, guys, can't you see the transition? Oh my goodness, that girl has some edges. Yes, who ain't got no edges? Slick. Now it is time for the long braided ponytail. I will be sectioning the hair off into 3. Now it's time to braid. Be sure to tuck your client's real hair under the braid so you will not see it. I am adding in extra braiding hair for length. Alright guys, this is the final look. I think it turned out beautiful for it being my very first time trying this hairstyle. So I think it looked amazing. So comment below and let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I think it's very cute and very simple and very easy. You can add some cute little bling or something to it to make it really pop. But other than that, it's beautiful. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.